this dog is.
You might want a dog like this, but it's really tired for a playful dog.
Really playful.
And it's a turd dog. Its name is Chicky.
Chickies.
Chickies. And it's tearing the heck out of that tail. It's a really playful dog. You might laugh the heck up. Wait. It's
Don't
like,
you always wanted a playful dog? Just come on here and you can see her at 510 North Queens.
and get those
Eastside,
kind of
Pueblo, Colorado.
get those kind of those toys. Get a
They're
doll.
like
Get a doll toy.
Actually,
I repeat, doll toy.
it's a stuffed animal.
A stuffed animal, actually.
A stuffed animal with a curly tail.
A curly tail. So you might want to see these dogs. He's a bad girl.
It's a Chihuahua.
It's a Chihuahua warrior.
It's a Chihuahua mixed with a Greyhound.
Spin it. Spin it. Jump. Alright, you want it, and I'll play with it. Let's see.
Okay, stop the video.